Sequel to yesterday's intel arrest, and upon recovery of all activities related to courts and recovery of firearms and ammunition from this house, we know as one to believe. That's his name, or maybe his court's name, or whatever. The legal provisions of the governor has come to outplay itself right here. The governor gave extensively 166 days for all court-related activities and all individuals in court group to renounce. And he provided leeway for them to exercise this renunciation. He even gave soft loans, skills acquisition, and all sorts of provisions for them to come near him and let them discuss with him the way forward. But these provisions were defied, and even now the court activities even strive more. It's a very long lesson to all landlords, long lesson to all members who is still persistent in courtism, to stay out of court. Come to a renunciation table. The governor wants to listen to you. I want to particularly advise all those who are still thriving in court activities to stay out of court. Come to government house, come to special security squad office, do your renunciation, and come into a sane society. Court-related activity thrives here. And we particularly trace the killing of day before yesterday in town to one of the members of this house. We discover ammunition, we discover berets, and we discover all sorts of things. And there is no way this house and this building could escape. If you discover this building, they are separate. One is for the father and one is for the main actor to believe. And that is why we are touching it and bringing it down.
As we told you yesterday, these houses that court activities are perpetrated will definitely go down, and that is what we are doing. And we are also using this to advise parents, hotel owners, to please be careful of the type of people they let into their premise. Because if you don't give them the enabling environment, this type of thing will not happen. The governor is serious about this, and he has warned us. It's a marching order. So we are not joking about this. When we say we are going to do it, we'll definitely do it.